What's up, Drip Gang? What's up? So today we are trying out the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last line. And this is the conditioner. I washed her hair off camera just because y'all have seen me wash her hair. It's really nothing to it. So I'm not shampooing. I don't shampoo all the time. I usually just co-wash anyway. So yeah, we did that, and now we're using the Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. So it's basically like a leave-in conditioner / detangler, and it's really nice. I love it. Honestly, with Shea Moisture, you know, Shea Moisture is the GOAT, so you can't really go wrong with them. But anything that says coconut on it with Shea Moisture, I'm gonna buy it, period. So yeah, I loved it. And it's really good for people that have like fine, soft, curly hair. The detangler was good. The curl primer was good on my hair too. Mine is a lot thicker than Evonna's, but yeah, I really like that on her hair. So, and I'm just gonna freestyle a quick little hairstyle. We're going to a baby shower, so nothing too fancy, but cute enough. All right, y'all know I like my clean part, so I'm just using some edge wax on her part to straighten that out. Okay, so now on to the Make It Last Wash and Go Defining Gel Oil. I really liked it. It's very slippery. So again, this kind of gel is better for the more thinner, softer, finer hair. Her hair did really good with it. It defined the curls really nicely. I did use it on my hair too, and I ended up having to go over it with Eco Styler just because my hair is really thick and it loves loves protein. So yeah, we're using that on her hair, and I really like the way it came out. So I'll buy it again for sure, and I'll continue to use it. As you can see, her little curls are really popping, you know, in her little plaits. Okay, and we're doing an updo. So basically I'm just parting her hair in 2 sections in the back and pulling the plaits up to the top. And we're going to put in a puff at the top of her head. And then you're going to see me do this later, but you won't see a close-up. I'm going to twist the ends of the top 2 ponytails before I put it into the puff. Just something cute I thought of doing. Like I said, nothing too complicated. Sometimes you just got to take it easy, but make it cute. All right, so now what I'm going to do is just section apart at the top to put down, to make her little bang. I'm going to do some twists so she'll have like a little twist out bang section at the top. And then I'm going to do some plaits on the sides and then pull those up into the puff in the middle as well. Now here, I was going to try to do flat twists, but I'm honestly not the best at flat twists. And I wanted it to be a little bit more bigger in size because, like I said, her hair is fine. So I just did like 2 rows of little twists. And then I just let it sit so it'll dry. And then we actually went out. We live in Houston, so 1 minute outside, your hair's dry. So we went outside and we went to Target and all that. And then I took her twist down after, before we left. And she was good. She did sweat it out because she went and jumped in the little moonwalk and it was really hot out there. So, but I'm still impressed with the product. Like I said, I will put the link in the description. I got it from Walmart. Walmart didn't have the whole line, so I just got what I knew, like the staples would be for this kind of style. So yeah, it worked out for me. And guys, don't forget to like, share, describe. Ooh, Lord, I can't even talk. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. We are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. We need your help. So tell a friend, tell a family member, send them right over here to our channel, and make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell on the right. And we have lots of fun content coming. I cannot wait until October. It's going to be so fun. I love the holiday season. So we hope you guys stay tuned and keep kicking it with us to see what we've got in store for you guys. And I know Evonna looked kind of sad. She's just tired. She needs a nap. And her brothers were not in there to entertain her. So, yeah, she loves her boys. She said they're awesome, she says. So, yeah, there are the twists. And then, of course, I'm going to lay her edges down with drip control. Don't forget to click that link. Go follow us at drip_control on Instagram. Follow Evonna at the.drip.princess on Instagram, and I am dripped_ink on Instagram. And y'all, I really should have washed that edge brush because the bristles were probably kind of hard. That's why she was looking crazy, oh my God. But yeah, anytime you continuously use the same product with an edge brush, you got to kind of clean it because it'll just crust up on those bristles and it'll be hard. But yeah. But okay, so here's the end result. Took those twists down. She's got her JoJo bow on with her JoJo shirt. And there's her updo, and she's good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.